Yo, another cannabis, make them loco. Yeah. If you see me for here, I did here to talk about Lamore EP from my brother Nishade. Charlie, Afrobeat gangs, they come. Afrobeat bad men, they come. You understand? Working with Shade wasn't hard, but it was hard because we wanted to get it right because we are both Afrobeat artists, yeah. And I've been talking about Afrobeat for a very long time. So, and he's now the new phase two of the Afrobeat now, like coming. You understand? So if I'm putting my voice on there, if I'm endorsing an Afrobeat artist, then it should be proper. So I think that was why it was hard, but it wasn't hard because we are both from the same background, the Afrobeat background. So the vibe, to catch the vibe was very easy, but the right vibe, you understand? So big up Nishi one more time. The song with me on the EP is a big song. I won't downgrade it to be just a hit song. I think it's a timeless one because it's here to set an example and to leave some mark. And then this year is the first year even our music, our Ghana Music Awards is like fixing Afrobeat in the categories. You understand? In the category. So you should know that we are like the foundation now. So I want it to be a timeless one so we can remember some of the songs that was the foundation of Afrobeat in Ghana. You understand? Not just a hit song. The whole project, my first remark that I gave when he came to play it for me, if it's the same song. When he played it for me, I was like, yo, right now, dear, you won't can't sack me for the Afrobeat inside. You understand? But I was like, yo, Charlie, if more of us like this stay around, then we are good to go. You understand? We are good to go. We can succeed and fulfill whatever we wanna do as in for the Afrobeat, yeah. So I think for the songs, taking even my feature aside, the rest of the songs, trust me, all be big. I wanted to do verse on I think every song because when he plays this one, I say, oh Charlie, this one, we could do this one. But I've done the other one already. But any other artist that is on the EP too, they did their best and they did great on there. So Charlie, Lamore EP, big up. My last words is I want you to try to accept new sound. Try to open your ears to new sound and new artists. You understand? Dig deep. Like they go underground. You understand? If you know so, you know go hear some of the vibes we are bringing. Some of the vibes Nishade is bringing. After that, then you support. If not that, you can't support. You have not accepted the person. You have not. You get me? So just let's accept the new sound and then support. And then one thing I want to emphasize on is the streams. I beg you guys, the streams. I know say people get data and they take watch other things for online. I beg you, the streams. If you know be so, the EP, you go there house talk say, oh, this EP is nice. It was supposed to hit some level, but I didn't stream it that much. So you can't make it to even top 100 albums or top 50 or top 10 albums in the world on iTunes or whatever. So we can't, you won't even get the them to go do debate or something. You understand? It's not for the competition, for the challenge, but please, let's just stream so that can put our artists there digitally. Because here, we finish on our way.